welcome back to Real Talk with Sarasota's luxury waterfront specialist, Roger Pettingell. Hey, Roger.
We're at the movies.
We are at the movies. At the movies on Bird Key.
Yes. You know, I wanted to do it here because honestly, we don't see in a garden home a movie theater very much.
Not at all.
And kind of what that means to me is there's space here.
Right. Right. This is a new listing for us. Good square footage, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, southwestern exposure, so beautiful light.
A lot of times in these older homes, you know, people, they just had these really small spaces. And this is actually an addition that was done. You know, they use it as a home theater, which I think is super cool. But it could also be a family room or a workout room or, you know, any extra space. But it's probably another 400 square feet added to the house.
Absolutely. And then, of course, we've talked many times in the past about the great walkability and location of this community.
Right. I mean, Bird Key has remained a strong community. And I think that's part of the word community. When you walk around the streets with a dog, I mean, I defy you not to meet 4 or 5 new people.
I noticed just driving in here this morning, everybody's out walking, they're walking their dogs, a lot of activity with building and remodeling.
And close to the circle and close to downtown, walk over the bridge. Yeah, so when you talk about, like, this house, you know, surely it's a contender for a remodel if you wanted to. It's very livable, very rentable. And some people will probably see it as a lot, honestly, you know, as a teardown. It is not solely a teardown, though. There's definitely value like this theater.
So people have options. Yeah. We'd love to show it to you. Please call us at 941-387-1840 or visit 464 EastRoyalFlamingo.com. Thanks so much for joining us on Real Talk.